Hi guys, Jake Robertson here. Just thought I would, I was out exploring in my Jeep and I just found this nice little location down here and I thought I would step outside, and it's such a beautiful day. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon on a Monday. Just thought I would record a little video while I here, talk to you guys. I had made a post earlier about starting up a Jeep club uh, that's going to be unlike any other type of Jeep club. And I just thought I would kind of maybe explain a little bit more about that. Myself and 4 other Jeepers had tried to get a Jeep club set up a while back. We never got it off the ground, and wasn't for lack of effort, it was just people's circumstances at the time. Out of the 5 Jeep guys that had started the club, 3 of them ended up selling their Jeeps. So we're down to 2 guys, myself and another fella. And at the time, he just couldn't afford to go Jeeping. So that was kind of a problem that I thought I would try and solve, not just for myself, but for anyone who wanted to join this type of Jeep club. So what I thought we would do is, anybody that wants to be a member of our Jeep club, we're going to teach you how to run an online business that is 90% automated. And with the business, I mean, you don't need to quit your job. This is something that can run, part-time. You can do it in your spare time. So it's definitely something that I think, if Jeeping, and we all know it's an expensive hobby, but if you want to generate some extra income, maybe it's not for you. Maybe your wife, if she's a stay-at-home mom or something, she could probably do this, and generate the income for the family. I'm going to provide a link to my website, which is www.therobertsonlife.ca. And on that page, that's just a registration page where you type your name and your email address. And once you click submit, there will be an auto-generated link that will be sent to you in your inbox. And there you can get the link to the live information session, which is held twice a week. And you'll get reminders. We understand that people are busy. You'll get reminders when the next upcoming one is. There's also links in there to the replays, which are recorded versions. And I think you should definitely come and check it out, and at least see what it is that we can do that might help you and your family. So click on the link, sign up. Bye for now.